Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and sorry I'm a little bit under the weather, so my voice might be a little cracky. I probably have the coronavirus, but well, what are you gonna do? But anyway, today we are going to make a spicy chicken sandwich. It's deep fried, and we're taking the idea from the Kansas City Chiefs Stadium. There it was known, or is known as the Kingdom Inferno. It's on a brioche bun, battered and fried chicken tenders, fresh sliced jalapeno, a Carolina Reaper mayo, and Carolina Reaper is a little hot sauce, and buffalo sauce. Pretty simple. Let's get started. And remember, if you're liking these videos, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell so every time we make a video, we'll notify you guys. All right. Okay, I'm going to be using the Ass Kickin' Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Kick your ass hot. And I'm going to start with a teaspoon to a half a cup of mayo because this stuff goes a long way. And it is extremely spicy. So I'm going to drop that in there. Half a cup of mayo. Whisk that around. And there's our Carolina Reaper mayo. Okay, and I'm gonna give it a little taste. Oh, yeah, that goes a long way. Perfect amount of heat. All right, each sandwich calls for 2 chicken tenderloins, and we're gonna take them and dredge them into a flour mix, and you can see what's in here in the description. Once you drop in the flour, give them a little shake. Taking your other hand, we're gonna call this the dry hand. Grab it by the tip. Make sure your fingers stay dry. And then we're going to transfer it over to an egg wash, which is just 2 eggs beaten. And now I'm going to come back in with my wet hand, give them a turn. And then over to about a half cup of panko breadcrumbs. We want to coat these very well. And then back with my dry hand, I just grab a little crumbs on the end, give it a turn, pack it on there. This way when you're working with both hands, you're not getting all clumpy, messy fingertips. Keeps your fingers a little more clean. Of course, you still want to wash your hands after this, after touching the raw chicken. And you're ready for the fryer. All right, we've presetted the deep fryer to about 350 degrees. If you don't have a deep fryer, you can do this in a pan with about 1 inch of oil. And this is only gonna take a few minutes. So let's drop them in there. Okay, you wanna just carefully drop your pieces in there. There we go. 1 and 2. Okay, I'll just talk about this buffalo sauce real quick. All this is Frank's hot sauce, half a cup with a 1/3 cup of butter that I melted on low. Let it sit at room temperature now for about 15 minutes. And that's our wonderful buffalo garnish. After 4 minutes, they're turning golden brown, getting nice and crispy. Give them a little tip to make sure they're at 165. We're reading about 180 Fahrenheit. They are done. All right, here's my sliced jalapeno. Fresh. I like to flash fry them for just a couple of seconds. Just to kind of get a little crisp. Yeah, maybe like 30 seconds. If you don't want to use fresh jalapeno because they are going to be hotter, you can always use pickled. All right, that's good enough for me. All right, it is time to build the sandwich. Okay, I have my brioche bun. If you don't have brioche, you can use your favorite roll, bun, whatever. I'm gonna start with the base, and we're gonna put a layer of our mayo, Carolina Reaper mayo. You can go as big as you want with this. but be warned, it is very spicy. Next, I'm going to place the chicken onto our base, followed by a slice of pepper jack cheese. Oh, goodness. Let's get our jalapeños in there. Wonderful. Now we're going to drizzle some of our buffalo sauce. A little more. Now we're ready for the broiler. Okay, I have my little broiler going, and we're just going to pop that in there until the cheese is melted. And I put the top bun in there to get a little toasty on there. Okay, after about a minute, cheese is melted, the bun is toasted. Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't say anything about my old toaster oven. I know we need a new one. Now we just gotta take our top bun, put a little bit more of our wonderful mayo on there. All right, and just for fun, if you have 49er fans coming over, offer this sandwich with my San Francisco 49er pickles. It's time to take a bite, if you dare. And I'm gonna just go ahead and say, once again, if you're liking these videos, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we make these videos. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Here we go. Wow, definitely has a kick, but the flavors are so wonderful. It comes together. No wonder this sandwich is set to hit at Kosher Stadium. All right, guys, give this recipe a try anytime during the year, but definitely during the football games.